Hi, I'm Novel Smith. Thank you for watching my video today. So today we'll be doing beautiful piano music for absolute beginners. This will get people falling in love with your playing immediately, right from the start. So I'll show it you in 2 levels, but let's start with level 1 first. Okay, so for level 1, the notes with the right hand are G, B, and C. And it simply repeats that pattern. So G, B, C, and back to G. And I'm holding all the notes down while I play. And the left hand does the following bass notes: C, F, A, and G. Level 2 has 2 bass notes being played with the left hand, so let's listen to that. So, looking at those notes for the left hand, you play a C, but then you have a G played immediately after. And that pattern carries on up in terms of the gap between the notes. So when you go to F, F and C. Move up again, A and E, and then down slightly to G and D. And then you're back at the beginning. And there you have it. So I'll get some music going and we can practice playing along. Use level 1 or level 2. Either way, it sounds brilliant. Hi, my name's Novel Smith and thank you for purchasing this piano tutorial. I'm very excited about showing you the secrets to playing such a wonderful instrument.